Okay, now that we know that the left edge of this stud is approximately right here, we need to make sure we have at least 14 inches of space between this stud and the stud to the left of it. So using the same method, push it. Okay, again, there's the edge. And there's the other edge. So using a tape measure, these are 16 center studs. So we're not going to have a problem with the space that we have between these studs. If you find out it's 24 inches, don't panic. We'll show you a way around that also. Okay, now that we've determined that this is where we want to put our mirror, we know that this is the approximate left edge of this stud here, and that's the approximate right edge of this stud. We need to determine how high it is we want to go, the upper limit of the hole. And what I've done is I've used a level and determined that I want the top of this mirror in line with the top of this mirror. And I know that to do that, I'd have to come down 2 5/8 inches and draw a line here. So my long level is not going to work. It will not fit in this space here. So using a simple torpedo level, this is the uppermost limit of the hole that we're getting ready to cut in the wall.